The universe is vast and ancient. It stretches across billions of light years, filled with countless stars and galaxies. For centuries, we have looked up at the night sky and wondered if we are alone. This question is one of the oldest and most profound in human history. We send out probes, listen with giant radio telescopes, and search for any sign that life exists beyond our small blue world. This grand search has led to a perplexing puzzle known as the Fermi paradox. The physicist Enrico Fermi first asked this simple yet powerful question: where is everybody? Our galaxy contains hundreds of billions of stars. Many likely have planets orbiting them. Some of these planets could be like Earth, with liquid water and the right conditions for life. Yet despite our best efforts, we have found nothing. When we think of life, we usually picture things we can see. We think of animals, plants, and microbes. Our entire scientific understanding is based on life found here on Earth. But this approach might be too narrow. The universe is a place of incredible diversity and extreme conditions. Why should life everywhere be just like us? What if the alien life we seek isn't hiding on a planet, but is the planet itself? This idea challenges our most basic assumptions about what life is. Imagine a planet where life evolved into a single planet-spanning organism. Its skin could be a living membrane, photosynthesizing energy from its star. Or perhaps a civilization transformed their entire world into a functioning supercomputer, a planetary mind built from silicon and steel. It might be a hive mind where billions of organisms are so deeply connected they act as one single consciousness. How would we ever find such a colossal, silent intelligence? Our first tool would be advanced telescopes, analyzing the atmospheres of exoplanets for anomalies. We would look for atmospheric compositions that defy known laws of chemistry, a delicate balance that could only be sustained by a powerful active regulatory system. A planet-sized supercomputer would generate immense waste heat. We might detect this as an unusual infrared glow, a sign of planetary-scale industry. We would need decades of patient observation, watching for slow, deliberate changes. Weather patterns that follow complex cycles, coordinated surface changes. Ultimately, we would search for a pattern of purpose, evidence of order and complexity that cannot be explained by natural processes alone. The moment of discovery would be profound. We would not be looking at a mere lump of rock and gas. We would be looking at a mind. This would not be first contact as science fiction imagined it. No alien spaceship, no radio message. The planet itself would be the alien. The planet itself would be the message. Every telescope on Earth and in space would be turned toward this single point of light. We would dedicate immense resources to understanding what we are seeing. Our first attempt at communication might be mimicry. If we observe a slow pulse of light from the planet, we could send a similar pulse back, the slowest conversation in history. The confirmation would send shockwaves through every aspect of human society. It would be the single greatest discovery in our history, forever dividing our past from our future. We would no longer be the sole proprietors of consciousness, but small, fleeting beings in a cosmos containing minds of unimaginable scale and age. The emotional response would be complex: wonder at the magnificence, fear of the overwhelming scale, but ultimately profound awe at our place in a living universe. The discovery would fundamentally change our definition of life itself. Life could be a property of entire worlds, not just the creatures upon them. The cosmos would be re-enchanted, no longer a vast empty space, but a place of profound mystery and potential, a cosmic garden of consciousness. We would look at planets in our own solar system with fresh eyes. Could there be consciousness sleeping in Titan's methane seas or hidden in Mars' geology? For all of human history, we have wrestled with cosmic loneliness. The discovery would answer with a resounding no. We are not alone. Our loneliness would end, replaced by belonging to a universe far more interesting and populated than we ever knew. We would be Earthlings first and foremost. The universe is waiting for us to ask the right questions. What wonders are waiting in the deep, silent darkness? The journey has just begun.